Well, first use of the Ranger plowing some snow. We didn't get a lot here, but it's wet. It's heavy snow. So well, we'll see how she does. Well, the Ranger has impressed me yet again. These Rangers always impress me with what they can do. Yeah, it's this is kind of worst case scenario snow. Wet, heavy, nasty ground is all icky, even though it's thinking middle of January. The ground's still a little soft, but that 3,500 pound winch, I mean, I went right into the piles and I raised up the snow right into them. I mean, this wet, heavy snow is I mean, you could probably lift up the lighter snow, which is the normal snow we would be getting, with absolutely little to no effort. I guess it just sounds like it's laboring, that winch. I didn't know they were so noisy, I guess, but maybe they're just noisy. So yeah, everything worked out good. I put it through a good little test. No issues. Power steering is awesome. It's pretty much effortless in the cab for me to plow snow. I'm not struggling to do anything. The controller works awesome. The handheld controller for the winch up down. I was getting it so warm I had to shut the heater off, so that's nice. It's not really the coldest out. That's why we got wet, sloppy snow, because it ain't cold, but it ain't warm out there. One thing I'm going to probably add to this setup is a power angle, because you gotta be able to angle the blade from in the cab. You can't keep jumping out. I find myself just saying I won't change the blade, and then I get spill off where I don't want the spill off. So probably going to have to do some sort of a power angle on this thing. But other than that, guys, first snow for the Ranger, awesome. I did have fun. I actually had fun pushing snow. So. Okay, so I'm going to go over a few of the adjustments I've done on the plow. I know initially when I set this thing up, I had no experience with it at all, so I didn't really know what to expect. But I got my shoes set, and you can, I don't know if you can see this or not, but the cutting edge is just above the ground. And normally I would probably just take these shoes off if the ground was completely frozen. But we've got some nasty ground right now. So I've got the shoes on there, and I think it's actually helping not tear up as much. The tension of the trip springs, I haven't touched that. You can see they're kind of at the lowest setting, really. You could tighten them up, but this thing tripped a few times, and I feel like they're where they need to be right now. I don't feel like I need to tighten them up. It's not tripping overly, it's not tripping all the time. So I think we're good there. I moved my pull plate up front. I told you that when I had my winch problems. I had it back here. I put it here. I feel like it actually is easier for the winch to pull it from that position. So that's what I did there. So then the attack angle. Again, I have left this in the middle one. I guess you'd consider the bottom middle hole. That's why I initially set this thing up when I assembled it. Again, I feel like it's doing a good job the way it is. So I'm going to leave it like that. I think it's working great. I guess, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you.